Right here is a straight pipe 7th generation V6 Accord. And this ain't no ordinary Accord. This is the Hell Accord.
Ready? Go!
Oh no, I'm getting gapped! Fuck no.
A new record!
Nothing too crazy is gonna happen right now. I'm just trying to cruise, you know, a little bit in the Hell Accord. Show you guys how the straight pipe really sounds like from the inside, because I know some of you may be thinking, oh, should I really make my car that loud? Will it really be that loud from the inside? I don't know. And even though you still won't be able to tell for sure from a video, this will give you some sort of an idea. Let's get a little acceleration going on. Dude, it sounds so fucking nice past like 3K RPM. It's just as soon as it hits like this certain part, like probably around 3200 RPM, it just makes this really nice sound, and it's just, you know, that shit. Sounds way better than any VQ. I know you're already thinking it. Just gotta crack the window a little bit. Let us really hear that exhaust system. But also don't want to hear the wind, so we're gonna keep the windows up. Now, if you do like how this sounds, or you just still want your car louder, even if you don't want to straight pipe it, well, lucky for you, I made a whole video talking about cheap ways to make your car louder, and it's on screen right now. So click it and go watch it.